So in today's class, we'll start next identity, fifth identity, that is x plus y plus z square whole square, which will be equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So as you are having identity a plus b whole square, x plus y whole square, and that was x square plus y square plus 2xy. So here we have one more variable. You can verify it by solving it as x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. Right? By multiplying these two polynomials, these two expressions, you can get the same answer. So here we can use directly the identity. Here we get the identity then, right? So we will use this identity next question, that is x plus y plus z square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now let's solve questions on the basis of this identity. Fourth question of exercise 2.5. Fourth question. First part, it's given expand each of the following using suitable identities, that is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square, right? So here we'll use identity, the x plus y plus z square, right? So x plus y plus z square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Then you will put at the place of x, here we have x. At the place of y, here we have 2y. You can, in the identity, you can use ABC also. As in the question we have given x, y, z. So here you can use ABC also to avoid the confusion. Plus z के place पे 4z whole square. So put in on right side also. X के place पे x. At the place of y, 2y, then use bracket because there is constant also, coefficient also of y, plus at the place of z it will be 4z square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x. Now we will solve it. X square plus 4y square plus 4 into 4 16, 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx. So here all are different variables, all are unlike terms, so we'll keep it as it is, right? Let's try one more part of this kind, then you can try the whole question. Let's take next part, 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 square. So again we are going to use identity here, x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, right? Then at the place of x we will put 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 square is equal to, at the place of x we'll put 1 upon 4a square plus minus 1 upon 2b square plus 1 square. At the place of x we have put here 1 upon 4a, and at the place of y it will be minus 1 upon 2b, because the coefficient of b is negative. Here we'll use the identity of plus. We'll take, in identity we'll take plus, but when we will put the value, then we will put here minus, because coefficient of b is minus, negative here. Plus 2 multiply x is 1 upon 4a, b is minus, next is minus 1 upon 2b, y is plus 2 into minus 1 upon 2b into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 upon 4a. Then let's solve it. It will be 1 upon 16a square. We'll square 4 also because we have bracket here. Then plus 1 upon 4b square plus 1 square 1. Then we can cancel here next term. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. What is left here? Minus 1 upon 4ab, right? 1 upon 4 left, a, b, and then minus also. Then next term, 2 and 2 cancel. What is left here? Minus b only. And then next term, this also cancelled. These are in multiply, so that's why we're cancelling here. Then plus 1 upon 2a, right? Then let's take one more example. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z square, right? So here also again, here we'll use x as minus 2x, or you can take the identity like this also. If you have given x in the question, you can take the in identity abc, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? Then at the place of x we'll put here minus 2x plus, at the place of b it will be 5y, and at the place of c it will be minus 3z square is equal to, then it will be minus 2x square plus 5y square plus minus 3z square. Use bracket also because the coefficient, there will be the square of the coefficient also, plus 2 into minus 2x into 5y, then again plus 2 into 5y into minus 3z plus 2 into minus 3z into minus 2x is equal to, solve it, 4x square plus 25y square minus plus 9z square, then minus 5 into 2 into 2, 20 xy, then next term minus 30 yz, then next minus minus into plus, 3 into 2 into 2, 12 plus 12 zx. Now clear? Let's move to the next question now. The next question is factorize. Next question is factorize. it's given here 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So you can see here it's of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. जो अभी हमने करी है प्रॉपर्टी, इससे पहले जो हमने आइडेंटिटी करी है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट सेम. सो इसमें आपको फैक्टराइज करना है, उसमें आपको एक्सपेंड करना था. व्हेन वी मूव लेफ्ट टू राइट वी एक्सपेंड राइट, और जब हम राइट टू लेफ्ट जाएंगे देन इट विल बी फैक्टराइज इन फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म. सो हम इसे वापस आइडेंटिटी में लेकर आएंगे राइट टू लेफ्ट. So we can write it as now 2x square, right, plus 3y square plus 4z square. Then plus here we have given minus also. Minus will take at the last. सबसे पहले हम numbers लिखेंगे. We will see हमें minus किसके साथ लेना है. Okay. So plus it should be 2ab. 2a is 2x here. B is 3y here, right? Plus next should be 2bc, right? This is as a b c. So identity किस फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए? a square b plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So अब हम नेक्स्ट देखते हैं bc. 2bc, b is 3y here, c is 4z here. Then we will check whether we are getting the same or not. Then plus last should be 2 into c into a. Let's check now. 2 into 2 into 3 into xy, 12xy same. इसमें आपके पास माइनस है. अब माइनस देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर आपके पास माइनस जो है एक तो yz के साथ है, एक xz के साथ है. हम क्या करते हैं, कॉमन वाला ले लेते हैं, क्योंकि माइनस हमेशा तब आता है जब वन इज पॉजिटिव वन इज नेगेटिव, राइट. सो इसमें yz में और xz में कॉमन z आ रहा है, तो हम z वाले वेरिएबल के साथ माइनस ले लेंगे. दैट मीन्स वी विल टेक द माइनस साइन हियर. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग इट, कि हम माइनस साइन यहां ले लेंगे क्योंकि बिकॉज इट्स विद द z. सो हम z वाली टर्म के साथ माइनस साइन ले लेंगे. सो अपने आप हमारे पास सेम आ जाएगा. Now you can check here 2 into 2 into 3 into x into y 12xy. It's right. 2 into 3y into minus 4z, it's minus 24y, it's right. 2 into minus 4z into 2x, it's minus 6xz, it's also right. So now it's the identity of a plus b plus c whole square. A is 2x here, b is 3y here, c is minus 4z, its whole square. We can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. So this is the factorization form now, and it's opposite to the fourth question. As there we move left to right, here we are going right to left. Next part is second part. Two x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. So here we have given, again we will make the identity of the form a plus b plus c whole square. Here we can make, firstly we have to keep it in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In that form we have to keep it. So it's given 2x square. अब 2 तो square number ही नहीं है, 2 is not the square of any number, any whole number. So how can we write down 2? क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पर square में लेकर आना है. It should be a square. So what should be a here? We can't take a as 2x क्योंकि 2 का square नहीं है, यहाँ पर 4 होना चाहिए otherwise. Otherwise we can do like this. 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. Right? So we can write down 2 as root 2 square. Okay? So what does it mean? We can write down 2x square as root 2x whole square. And when we will open it, we'll get 2x square. Same. Then y is only there. No coefficient is there. So we'll write down y square plus 8z square. 8. Now we will write down 8 as the multiply of same two numbers. How can we write down it? 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Square में कैसे लेकर आएंगे? 2 square is already there, but root 2 is left here. So root 2 को, sorry 2 is left here. तो 2 को open कर देंगे, root 2 into root 2. So we can write down here now 2 root 2 square. 2 be 2 times, root 2 be 2 times. So we can write down 8 as 2 root 2 square. 2 root 2 z square. Clear up to this? Then minus, it's minus. Firstly, we can take here plus because we are using identity here. In identity, it should be plus. Okay. So plus 2 into, it should be AB. What is A here now? This will be A here. This will be B here. And this will be C here. So A root 2 x multiply y plus 2 multiply y into 2 root 2 z plus 2 into 2 root 2 z into root 2 x. Okay, we have taken here 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we'll see the minus here now. Minus. You can see minus is in this term. Here, you can see minus is here. Right? And minus is here. And here the common variable is x. So we'll put the minus where we have given the variable x. जहां जहां पर x है वहां पर आप माइनस दे देंगे उसके कोफिशिएंट के आगे, राइट? देन इट मेक्स द आइडेंटिटी एज माइनस रूट 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. And when you will open it with the identity, you will get this answer as the question is given here. So on the basis of this identity, complete question number 4 and 5.